Are you struggling to create an online marketplace?
Look no further.
Sharetribe's Headless marketplace solution allows you to build a custom front end. While we manage the backend for you, enjoy total creative control. With Sharetribe, you can design pixel-perfect user experiences tailored to your audience. Launch a website or a native mobile app in no time with our ready-to-use templates. 3 key benefits. 1. Essential marketplace features at your fingertips: profiles, listings, and payments. 2. Customizable data structures that let you store and filter user-generated content. 3. Flexible transaction flows designed to match your unique business needs. What sets us apart? Our open-source marketplace template gives you the freedom to expand and refine your marketplace effortlessly. Don't wait! Start your 14-day free trial today and bring your vision to life. No credit card required.